Today we're going to cook up a dark beat. I can definitely hear like someone going crazy, like really rapping on this beat. It's so simple that it's like placement ready. That's what it is. So hope you enjoy it. Let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. Let's pitch it down, pitch it down. I feel like the drums are super clean, super hard, but I feel like the melody does not fit the drums. I might just make another melody on top of these drums. It's a little switch up right now, I know, but let's just switch it up. I feel like we can do better on the melody. Yeah, yeah. I'm a niggas, she fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna dance, now she pop with me. Yeah. Shawty wanna dance, now she fuck with me. Back then you used to cop me, now it's cool, it's the me. Yeah. Looking hot, it's cool, they used to duck with me. Get them when the bands and the anyone that order me. Shit, I got all these jewelry on my neck, it's a order me. Did it to the beat, did it dance, it's another beat. Yeah, gotta dance in the dance, and the gangs and the bands and the got my shit. Clipping them and putting on the shit. Like that's not a beat. Yeah. Oh my days, it's placement ready. It's so simple that it's rappable and placement ready. All the songs that I'm using are in the link in the description, available on astrosample.com. Make sure to go check it out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @ScondaBeats. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.